In the year 2025, the Queen will be chosen. Representatives from all over the world, known as judges, will have the right to select the Queen, carefully chosen. They are the best of the best. These judges will evaluate every move, every single detail. Predictions say the Queen chosen in 25 will glow with the brightest AURA. As foretold long ago, the Queen will be chosen. Protected by an army and loyal knights of the throne, the new Queen will ascend to her throne and be crowned.